I would like to introduce the next one topic. You know that in the middle of these presentations about cultural events in different parts of the world, we introduced the new project about the Hershel experiment. We began 2 or 3 years ago in NASE in order to promote one concrete experiment that all the people interested, all the teachers that participate in our courses, they can organize the observation with their students and send to us the observations. Of course, there are not a winner. It doesn't matter the winner. It's not important. The important is that they do the experiment and send the information. And after, well, at the beginning, before the COVID, we organized a meeting with the students and teachers, what was very interesting. We organized in Spain a couple of years ago. And last year we have to organize an online meeting that also I think it was very nice. And this year we want to repeat the idea. Probably we organize one online meeting with the participants, one team for each one country. And also, I don't know, but it depends of the situation of COVID, that maybe we organize a face-to-face a small meeting, okay? But in any case, I think it is a special opportunity to do something all together and exchange information, and we can see the results and compare the results from one country to the other one. Normally the different latitudes are very interesting in these cases. And also I think it is interesting that they try to do and maybe are surprised with the results. Then I would like that Beatriz introduce a little bit about what means this experiment. And after we have a special video that our colleagues from Austria prepared especially for us. Then,
well, a very short speak is we decided along the NASE years to propose special experiments to be done by the people in NASE and beyond. And in different years, we proposed different experiments. Perhaps the first one was the measurement of the Earth using the method by Eratosthenes. And this was a very well-known experiment. So many people is working on that around the solstice, the summer solstice for the northern hemisphere, the winter solstice for us in the southern part of the planet. But along the years, we thought about others experiments, interesting experiments. And when the UNESCO proposed the Year of Light in 2015, we decided to propose something connected with light. Well, it's the object of study of the astronomy. So the light is a very important thing. And all the people was very happy with this proposal. We proposed to reproduce the Herschel experiment to detect the infrared. As you know, it's a very simple experiment. You just need a prism, 4 thermometers, and the sun. So the idea was to show how in the beginning of 19th century, probably a family, the Herschel's family, could to detect this part of the spectra that we cannot see with our eyes. So the experiment is simple. It's possible to be done during the day, so it's not a problem with the children in the schools, because during the night you need to prepare special activities if you want to make an observation activity. But during the day, all the schools have the children at the class. So the experiment is simple. You can reproduce the laboratory, the special laboratory, in not more than 10 minutes. And the idea this year connected with the Day of Light, as you know, is May 16. Is remembering the day when a laser was used on Earth for the first time. This year we propose to repeat Herschel's experiment, which is one of the most amazing and impressive experiments along the history. Detect what the eyes cannot see. As Rosa mentioned, this experiment was made in other years, but this year is a special one because we are in the middle of a pandemic, and probably to reproduce an experiment outside with the sun and in very controlled conditions at the school is a good idea. So please, Rosa, I think you will introduce a video or something about the Herschel experiment. We will start this today in the equinox, presenting the proposal, but remember that we will measure or detect the infrared, each one at the school or at your own houses until the next equinox, when we invite you to a special closing ceremony to present all the experience all over the planet along the time between equinoxes. So, Rosa?
I would like to mention especially that this experiment, it was accepted, involved in the Day of Light that organized every year UNESCO, and then we are part of this celebration. The period for the experiment begins in this equinox and finishes in the next one, equinox in autumn. And then all this period is open time in order that all the countries try to do it and to send the information to us.